Yiwu Sun Meta Technology Company Limited, specialized in the design, development, assembly, and manufacturing of heat press machines. It is a comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales. Has been engaged in the heat press industry for 10 years. It has rich industry experience and a professional R&D and production team. We and our associated factory has 1,500 square meters of high-end office buildings and 30,000 square meters of production industrial park. It is equipped with multiple automated production lines. It has increased production efficiency by 30%, created a modern scientific warehouse, and has passed ISO 9001 certification. At present, the company has many varieties and styles of machines, such as 3D sublimation vacuum machines, combo heat press machines, pneumatic mug printing machines, tumbler heat press machine, hydraulic heat press machines, household portable heat press machines, household mini heat press machines, to meet the needs of different markets in different regions. We and our associated factory has 2 brand trademarks, Sun Meta and Freesub, 1 invention patent, 16 utility model patents, and 12 appearance patents. Every product developed and produced has been tested and passed by professional third-party institutions. Over the years, it has been highly praised by many customers for its excellent quality and advanced technology.